I had a phone call that I forgot about at 9:30. So I'm just running a little late. But I'm going to do my regular bi-weekly Apache Spark code review. And we're going to take a look and see what's going on. Last week was really exciting. We got to merge some code. That always makes me happy. Okay, yeah, whatever. This week we'll see what happens. So I'm going to just double check super quickly on the YouTube video, just because sometimes it has difficulty starting. And that would make me sad. Okay, cool. Yeah, it is working. Yay. Okay, great. And I'll just post this to buffer. Regular bi-weekly Apache Spark code review. Oh, I should have updated this on Twitch, because it probably still has last night's title on Twitch. Sorry, it's just running late. Okay, yeah, update all. There we go. Okay, there we go. Should be up to date on Twitch as well. We'll check that in just a second too. I'm gonna put on some music for myself, which I will hopefully avoid streaming, unlike last night. Looks like that's going well. Last night I accidentally streamed my music rather than myself, which, well, probably more fun. Okay, looks like it hasn't updated in Twitch, the title, but that's okay. We'll just work with that. So, cool. This is the book I'm working on. So let's go to the Spark PR page. Yay. Oh, did I actually post that to buffer, or did I just mean to post that to buffer? I just meant to post that to buffer. Well, while this is loading, I'm just gonna Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go take a look at this pane because I find this one to be the most informative, because it shows the ones that I've commented on and when they've been updated. So this one, cool, updated 3 days ago. The last review was on Friday, so these might not, I don't know if these are new or not. We'll just scroll down and see if the last comment on them is mine or someone else's. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, cool. Well, let's take a look at this. So, yeah. Yeah. Actually, this would be useful for some people. We'll talk about this one in, actually, let's do it now. I'm gonna eat this piece of cereal really quickly. So, I think this is good. So, Launch Gateway isn't a thing that most people are going to call directly. Anyways, so it's okay to add a developer parameter to it. Specifically, Pope and KW args is allowed people to change how capturing standard out and standard error is handled. This is probably most important for downstream notebook vendors who might want to do something interesting with the outputs of the Java process. So let's take a look at this. Interesting. Right, if the process already exists, we set proc to none. That makes sense. Although, what is proc used for? Huh. interesting. Ah, gateway.proc equals proc so that you can get the object. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. Okay, actually, I think I'm okay with this one, so we might get to merge another PR as well. Let's go look up this Jira. Whatever. Okay. This looks pretty reasonable. My phone is making sounds though, so I'm gonna double check on that. Okay. Cool. Just help a friend out really quickly. Just a little stressed this morning. Okay, cool. So that looks pretty legit. Okay, let's make this happen. Because I want this feature myself as well. So I'm excited. We're gonna get to merge a PR again. So let's. I don't. Okay, cool. So. Oh wait. Please don't think. Okay. Oh, did it compile? Oh, Scala style. Whatever. It's fine. That's not from this branch. If that was from this branch, that would be an issue. But it's from another one. Yeah. I don't use the Jira auto closing feature because I like to do it manually because it's gone wrong for me a few times in the past, and so it's just why I don't do that. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna merge this. Let's double check. I want to just make sure, because this was last updated 3 days ago. No, okay, I'm not going to merge this. Fuck. Sorry. Small bump in case. Yeah. Actually, the longer this PR has been open, the more times I've seen the need for it. My bad on not coming back to this. Jenkins, retest this, please. I'm good to merge, assuming it passes tests. Or looks good to me pending Jenkins. And that's just the way of saying, awesome, but if it fails in CI, yet. And that's because the last time Jenkins ran was October, and so there's a chance that, you know, this actually did break something. So we probably won't actually get a chance to merge this, because Jenkins can take a really long time to run. But assuming no one else comes along and looks at this, we can merge it on Friday. So that's good. Okay, cool. So Sean said looks good to me 5 days ago. Wait, what? That's an interesting mix, because you don't normally see looks good to me along with a request of changes. And so, okay. Cool. I forgot about the keyword only annotation, so that's awesome. So that's good. Also keyword only, so this is fine. So let's take a look at this. What is this? Do I mean something like this? Def new array. One D array. Otherwise, 2D array. Huh. Okay, so if it's a 2D array, we make these. No. Not really. I was thinking more of calling. I was thinking. Let's go close, but not exactly. But I was thinking in the 2D case of doing something more like let's go ahead and we'll edit this. Nope. Wait, what? Wait. No? Oh. Let's go look up Py4j 2D arrays. Can I do this? Can I make a... not quite. Let's just go ahead. Not really. Let's go with, close, but... was not great. I was thinking of using new array to construct new array with an array class, an array string class to construct the outer array, but really it's probably not worth the headache involved, so long as test that the Scala side isn't making assumptions about the arrays being fully populated. Yeah, that seems accurate. Oh, hi VR. Cool. Oh, damn it, it looks like the chat is broken. Damn it. Restream. Okay, I guess I'll just check in on the YouTube chat periodically. Hi. It was working last night. Oh well, whatever. Software is amazing. Okay. So that's really it for PRs that I've commented on before that have been updated. So we're going to go look at new inbound PRs and see if there's anything that really looks like a good fit for us to take a look at today. Oh, maybe. I wanted this feature, so that's, yeah. Interesting. Local tree training for decision regress. Huh. Okay. This looks pretty reasonable. Oh, cool. This person helped review one of the PRs that we looked at on Friday, so that's exciting. Okay. It looks like it's being actively reviewed. Okay. Where are we at in the latest one? Okay. Well, let's go take a look at the files that have been changed and see if this is... Okay. So, has white column. Sure. This is interesting. Is defined weight column. Check that the weight column is numeric. That's reasonable. Score weights and labels. Data sets. If the weight column is not defined or the weight column is empty, just put in a weight of 1. Otherwise, weight column, cast it to a double. Okay. And then we map this row into this interesting tuple configuration. Okay. Interesting. And so then, okay, so we have our old constructor here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, numbins must be non-negative. Okay. Okay. so this... Whoa. Oh, this is probably gonna change the binary signature. Are these things private though? Huh, I'm surprised there's no need to blacklist any of these API changes from the compatibility checker. Okay. Okay. So we're going to count this as doubles now. Is that going to cause us any problems? It's probably fine. Weighted false negative. Wait, yeah. Count.num positive. Weighted number of true positives. Okay. This is no longer the number of positive records necessarily. I think maybe update this variable name as well. Okay, cool. Right, because this is... It's just not necessarily going to be the number of positives, because we're adding the weight. Weighted true positives to double. Because I think weighted positive right, count here is the binary label counter, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I think okay, this total positive 0. Then we say 1. Okay. bins must be. Okay. Yeah, so first pass review. Thanks for working on this. I did a quick first pass review. Thanks for working. Cool. We'll go ahead and drag this over here. Let's see what's over here. Add absolute transform to cross validator. What does apply absolute transform indicates whether the metric returned by evaluate should be transformed to non-negative values prior to testing for minimization or max. I feel like I'm missing something. Let's go look up this Jira ticket. This always returns false? Okay, let's go look up this Jira. Okay, sure. Sure. So, custom evaluators, this makes sense, but I really want to see a test here. But that's okay. So here we go. Jenkins, okay to test. Thanks for working on this. Is this their first contribution? Yeah, it is. And welcome to the Spark project. I'd really like to see a test for the new functionality, so we know it's both correct and also that the API we're exposing is easily usable. Yeah, that's actually probably, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's really where I'm at. Once there's the test, we can do a more thorough sort of dig into it. Cool. Add local tree training for decision tree regressors. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, this is probably out of scope to look at. Yeah. This is from 2014 and has a whole bunch of different PRs. Yeah. So we're not gonna get there. Not today. But interestingly, people are involved in this. So that's good, and it probably just doesn't make sense for us to try and review this PR today. Yeah, this is just too big and conflicting against master. Ooh, it's from 2017. I don't know if we're still. Well, this PR might be abandoned. We can ask. Okay, cool. And I got a push notification for my next meeting, which means this is probably a pretty good time for me to start doing the wrap up. Let me just get my intro outro slides, and we can talk about who I am. Oh yeah, we can see it right there. It's, okay. Yeah. So, okay, this will just take 5 minutes. Okay, Holden and Boo super fun live stream. What are we going to do in open source today? So we did Spark PR review. No one asked any questions, but that's okay. If you have questions, feel free to comment on the recorded one or join me for next time. I'm sorry the chat integration applet that I use was broken again. I thought I had that fixed, but I'll keep an eye on it. If you like this, like, subscribe, click the bell, whatever it is that you do to keep up to date on new live streams. I'm Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her. It's tattooed on my wrist. And I'm a developer advocate at Google. I work on open source big data there. I'm on the Spark PMC, and I contribute to a whole bunch of other projects as well. This afternoon at 1 p.m. I'll actually be working... actually, no, it's still on Spark. I think I've got some Airflow stuff later on in the week. And I've been at a bunch of other companies, co-author of a few Spark books. You can find me on SlideShare if you want my conferences. And I would really love your feedback. If you have any feedback, there's a survey link. I do read it, and I always want to get better for y'all. In addition to who I am professionally, I'm trans, queer, Canadian, and I'm part of the leather community. This isn't directly related to open source big data, but I think it's really important that we try and build diverse communities in open source that represent our users, so that we don't just solve yesterday's problems faster and burn the world down. Instead, we can solve new problems, and we can do this by having more diverse communities. And the first step to do that is to talk about where we're all from and make sure we have diverse communities, or if we don't, we can go about trying to build them once we know. Okay. That is more or less it for me. So thank you all for joining me. I hope to see some of you at 1 p.m. today. I'm getting confused with my mouse between these two different windows. Great. Have a good day. See you all around.